long sleeve white shirt for this.
Oh no. Oh,
Ronnie, just need it.
I can't. This is not good.
I feel like I'm playing like an accordion.
Hey guys, I'm Veronica.
I'm Vanessa.
And welcome to our Roni and Nessa channel.
Today is supposed to be Ronnie's upload day, but she has invited me to join her upload video day.
Because today we're going to be making slime.
We've made slime on live streams,
Yeah.
but never like for a video.
I thought, why not include Nessa? Because I was gonna do this by myself. I was like, why would I do this by myself? Slime is so much fun. Also, Nessa, look at this. What is this?
Glue! Wow! Is it slime already?
It's slime. Fun story. Me and Aaron needed glue because we were going to glue our puzzle together, and we got a bunch of this. It says goo,
not glue.
It doesn't say glue. It says goo. We needed clear goo, and we were like, oh, look, a container. I don't know if you guys know this, but I really enjoy slime. I think slime is so much fun, and it's very therapeutic to me. We have this slime in case our other slime turns out bad.
Whoa.
But is that an empty bottle? No. It is slime. Make sure to subscribe to this channel if you're new and hit the bell button to get notified when we post a new video.
We dump in.
Okay. Do we put the whole bottle?
Yee. Oh, that's disgusting.
What?
Your glue.
What's wrong with my glue?
I don't know. I'm used to white glue.
I'm sure during the slime phase on YouTube, Elmer's glue was having a heyday.
Then shake your Elmer's Fluffy Slime Activator for best results. Add 3 teaspoons. Do you have a teaspoon?
Get out! Out! Get out! Look at that.
Whoa.
What are you doing over here? Look at that.
Ew.
Oh. Whoa!
Whoa!
Isn't that fascinating? Oh, this is so exciting. I feel like a little kid right now.
Stir in the Fluffy Activator until it becomes harder to mix and slime begins to form.
Wow. This is like slime ASMR.
Can your thing is it's so close to me.
I'm trying to get inside. It's trying to show.
Oh, slime is forming. Slime is forming.
Wow.
Slime is forming.
Oh, okay.
1, 2.
Stir the magical liquid until it becomes harder to mix and slime begins to form.
Oh yeah,
There we are. Wait, why was it so easy? Getting a workout in my arm.
Yours is very liquidy slime.
Is yours liquidy?
No, mine is slime form.
Do I need more of the magical liquid stuff? I feel like mine is
No
so
idea.
liquidy.
Ew.
Why is it so? I'm gonna pour a little bit more.
That's helping it, right?
Yeah, that helps.
Wow, yeah, there you go.
There we go. That's slimy consistency. Oh no.
It says I need to knead it.
Oh, I'm supposed to need mine too.
Why did I wear a long sleeve white shirt for this?
Oh no. Oh no. Oh
Ronnie.
What's wrong with my slime?
You're supposed to knead it. We definitely missed the slime era, you guys.
I think this is why. We're not good at making slime. Look at us. Mine's just splat.
Why did you buy kits? I thought you were going to actually buy stuff to like make real slime.
This is real slime. What do you mean?
Like there's like stuff you can use to actually make real slime.
This is real slime.
No, like from scratch. It's just all stuck in between my fingers. I feel like a frog. Look at that.
Mine is sad. This is so sad.
Just knead it.
I can't.
That table's ruined.
No, it's not. The table's not ruined. This is not good. How do I put this back in the bowl? Go back in. Please, go back in. No! I missed the bowl. Why is this so bad?
Mine's becoming more like fluffy slime. Look.
This is supposed to be therapeutic. Oh my gosh, wait. I think it's working now. I think we just needed to let science do its thing. Look at my finger. It's completely clean. I got it off that hand completely.
My hands are just mitten slimes. Look.
Slime mittens.
I've got slime mittens on my fingers.
Keep doing that.
No, I think this is working.
Yeah, it's definitely working.
I feel like I'm playing like an accordion. Oh my gosh.
It's still pretty stuck to me. Oh, 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 oh! My slime's bouncy.
not know where it went for a second.
The next thing we should try, Nessa, is that thing where they like crush it and then like the moon sand stuff comes out. I'm a slimer. I'm a slime YouTuber.
This is the best day ever.
You're getting there. You just keep doing it. Oh gosh, you're about to whack me with it. Nessa, never mind. All right. I think I've been giving everybody some slime ASMR. Dang it. Oh gosh. You're about to hit me.
Get it off of me.
Why are you being so aggressive?
Ronnie, I'm being... Can you help? Ronnie!
What? Nessa! Oh no. There. There.
There we go.
Fluffy slime.
Okay, you ready for some ASMR now? Plop. Hold on. I need a better plop. Splat. All right, do you want to play with yours now? ASMR, yours?
Now take it. No, dude.
Is this the ASMR you wanted?
No.
Whatever. Okay. I go wash it.
I don't understand how she was getting it all over herself. Like, that's a great piece of slime right there. Wow. Maybe she just doesn't know how to handle slime.
Do you want to play with her slime?
Let me see. Can I play with Nessa's? Ooh, hers is sticky. Ooh.
No!
Ew, it's disgusting. Ooh.
What do you
What
mean?
the heck?
It's
all gluey. Okay, it's fine.
made from glue.
Okay, we're making more.
We're making our Merrell Twins colors.
Oh, cute.
So cute.
It is our Merrell Twins colors.
I hope you guys are finding this just as satisfying as we are. Why are you doing it like that? I am convinced that you don't know how to handle slime.
I'm convinced you don't. It's fine. It's fine. I don't care anymore. My goal in life is not to be a slime expert.
Did you get all your glue out?
Most of it. But as we know, you need the full slime activator.
Watch out, you almost hit your hand.
Back to sticky hands once again.
How does it feel this time?
Oh, interesting.
Does it feel better?
This time it's also very, like, liquidy.
Yeah, mine's really liquidy too. Like I put too much of that stuff in it. What? What?
The thing made a noise at me.
What?
It made a noise at me and it was really scary, Ronnie. Okay, look at us. Slime
queens.
experts. Oh. Do you think everyone would have wanted a shoe haul video instead of a slime video? Did people want a shoe haul? Did people want a shoe haul of you?
No. I mean, there's like a couple people that asked.
Mine's just a ball. And it's not slime, it's just a ball.
Put it flat. Split it.
You're right, it's just a ball.
It's eventually forming into slime. Now go. There! You did it! You're a slime person. You're a slime influencer. We are 24-year-olds playing with slime. See anything wrong with that? This has been a very therapeutic session, in my opinion. Comment down below which color slime is your favorite.
Who's your daddy?
Stop. Wow, I made a perfect little poop.
I want to make a poopy. Look at my
Wow.
poopy.
Stop. All right, maybe we'll start with yours then. Okay, Nessa. Do you want me to do it?
Glue is stuck to my hairs on my fingers.
Do you want me to do it?
I want to do it. What am I supposed to do?
The
No!
dots.
Don't.
I'm not doing it.
Smiley face. No smiley face.
No, you shh. Shh. ASMR.
I'm sorry, go.
Shh.
Stop.
There you have it. Our slimes.
Whoa.
Whoa.
to touch your slime. I haven't touched your slime.
Okay, you want to switch?
Wow, I like this slime better than mine.
I like
Fluffy or
it. I
something.
like the fluffiness of it.
What if we mix them together?
No! Why would you do that? Why would you mix the slimes together?
Why would you not?
Because that's awful. That's a crime.
No, it's not.
Don't do that. No! Stop! I worked hard on those slimes.
That is not. I wanted it to be more like satisfying.
It's cotton candy slime.
It's actually very pretty. Wow. Whoa. Whoa.
There you have it, us making slime. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to Roni and Nessa, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!